Is your Rogers Xfinity box constantly rebooting? This is often due to three main reasons: power supply issues, firmware problems, or coax cable signal degradation. A faulty power adapter might not deliver steady power, causing reboots. Firmware, the box's software, can get corrupted during updates or experience conflicts. Lastly, loose coax connections or damaged cables can lead to signal loss, forcing the box to restart as it tries to reconnect. Identifying the root cause is the first step to fixing this frustrating problem. First, check the power supply. Ensure the adapter is securely plugged in and not damaged. Try a different outlet to rule out electrical issues. Next, confirm your box is getting firmware updates automatically via the settings menu. If not, manually trigger an update. Finally, inspect the coax cable for any damage or loose connections. Ensure it's tightly connected to both the box and the wall. If signal issues persist, Rogers support can remotely check signal levels. Start with simple fixes like unplugging for 30 seconds and escalate to hardware checks if needed. If all else fails, contact Rogers for professional service or adapter replacement, especially if you suspect a faulty power adapter from older models.